Hi folks, so 2017 question B1 here, and I've gone ahead and I've done a lot of the setup, in fact most of the question really, because it was very straightforward. We have this a big elliptical shape here, a structure as said in the question, and that is formed by revolving this profile ABC by spinning it around on the axis AC, and we can see this over here. So, a rugby ball, if we just want to call it that for a moment, that's what it looks like in an in view. It would look like a circle. Now, the crux of the question really comes when you're trying to get the hidden detail line, okay, for this parabolic tunnel, if we can call it that, that's taken out of the structure. So we're going to come to that in a moment. That's what I'm going to do in this video to show you how to do that. But just to say before that, there's a smaller ellipse also going on here, okay? So if you were to slice an ellipse anywhere there, you'll still get an elliptical shape, okay? Now, this ellipse comes from these 2 points here, the major axis, if you drop them down, okay? And the end, or the minor axis, will be the width from here to here, where it hits the ground. And you can just drop them down and bring them across. Now, I used the Dremel for drawing both of them. I highly recommend you do this. I find it a real time saver, and it keeps your sheet nice and clean for lines as well, okay? But always remember to tape it on. So we're going to go ahead now and we're going to take a couple of vertical sections, and I'm taking my vertical section similar to the 2016 question. I'm going to be taking them perpendicular to the axis that this spins on, the profile spins on, to create this, okay? And you can imagine if you were to chop that off there, what you'd get over here is a smaller circle when you're looking in view. That's all you would get. So we'll go ahead now and we'll take a couple of these. So the first one I'm going to take is, I'm going to take a section, a vertical cut here, okay? And I'm going to call this point A. Now, A must be somewhere straight across here, okay? And as I said a moment ago, if you chop that there with a vertical section, you'll end up with a smaller circle in your end view. So I'll just get my compass now. Says that I'm going to revolve it around like so. Now I'll just get a bit of red there. And you don't have to do this, of course, just for demonstration purposes, but that is the vertical red section that we're taking there, and it's going to produce a smaller circle. So there's point A now. And now basic orthographic. I can drop this guy down. Bring him across. And continue it down there. And that will get me A in my plan view, okay? Let's put some arrows on that. So we're going to just repeat the process now. Same thing, exact same thing again. I'm going to take another vertical cut. Call this B. Must be somewhere across there at that height. Set my compass down there. Swing it around. I'm just going to do that in color now. So the blue vertical section will produce that size of a circular shape. And this here then gets me point B. Same thing then, we're going to drop it down. Bring it across. Or it hits this line coming down. It's going to get me point B down there. Okay, so that's enough, I think. You know, we're going to go ahead now, and I'm just going to mirror everything over. So we have our start point here, point there, and it's just a matter of joining them in. So I'm going to stop talking now and go ahead and mirror them around to finish this out. Check that again. And then and that's that question, folks. Finished. So I hope you found that useful. Remember to put on your trammel if you're doing an ellipse with the trammel method, okay? So it's as simple as that. And I hope you found that video useful, folks. More videos to come. Take care and stay safe.